is such a major holiday now, but you don't have to be traditional. Let's add a touch of whimsy with hot pink. You may not think orange and pink for Halloween right off, but look how fabulous, actually grand. Paired with an orange pumpkin, lined with plastic, floral netting, and then add water, pre-mixed with flower food. To begin, create a nest of foliage. Variegated pittosporum is perfect. Just nestling it down in, giving yourself a base that will support all of the flowers, radiating around using a central binding point, making sure it gets down into the water so it'll hold well. Then coming back with the orange carnations, using those as a basing as well, tucking them low, letting them help break the line of the container, bringing that orange as a basis, picking up from the pumpkin, all the way up towards the center. The base is complete, but now the fun begins. Tucking in the pink roses, letting them come a little bit higher because they have greater value, pulling through towards the back, and then repeating that with the miniature gerberas, getting that vibrant, vibrant orange to really show off the contrast. To finish, I want to carry out that whimsical feel of that hot pink and orange. So I pulled out the handy dandy pick machine and using lily grass, putting a pick on the tip. Yes, the top end. That way I can take that, feed it into the arrangement, down into the water, then give it a cut and wrap it around, and then repeat that spiraling movement throughout the design. The recipe, 3 stems of variegated pittosporum, and then 12 orange carnations, 9 pink roses, 7 orange gerbera daisies, and then 7 strands of lily grass to finish. The holidays are such fun and can be so creative. You don't have to stick with the standard orange and black. Add hot pink. How fun is that? You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What fabulous colors are you going to use? Create a design, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.